Welcome back. When dealing with resources like files or network connections, it's crucial to ensure they are properly closed, regardless of whether the main operation succeeded or failed. This is the primary purpose of the finally block in Python's exception handling structure. 1. The role of the finally block. The code inside the finally block is always executed before the try except statement finishes. This makes it ideal for cleanup tasks, ensuring system integrity and preventing resource leaks. 2. Example, file handling with finally. In this example, we attempt to open a file. If the file is found, the try block executes successfully. If the file is missing, the file not found error is caught. But whether the file is read successfully or the exception is caught, the code in the finally block runs, guaranteeing the file, if opened, is safely closed. This prevents the file from remaining locked by the system. 3. Execution flow demonstration. Let's trace the flow in two scenarios. If the file exists, the order is try block runs completely, then the finally block runs. If the file is missing, the order is try block fails immediately, the except block runs, and then the finally block runs. The cleanup is guaranteed. To summarize, always use finally for resource management. Our next lecture 22.05. I'll see you there.